What's up, everybody? It's me, Grace, and I have a very special guest today, and it's my friend Brandon.
What's up?
We've been friends for so long, almost the entire time that I've been in Texas, and he started a YouTube channel, and it's a social commentary channel. I want you guys to go and follow him because he's an amazing person. 2, he agreed to dress up as a pirate with me today, and he's an amazing sport. 3, he's really funny and very informative. So I hope you guys show him some support. Go over and hit the subscribe button and put in the comment section. It's like, hey, Grace told me to say hi or something. And yeah, I hope you like his stuff, and I hope you like this fun pirate video today.
Howdy everyone, and welcome back. Today, I'm dressing up as my character Briar, but as a pirate. And lucky for me, my friend Brinson dressed up as a pirate with me. We had a blast making some videos for TikTok too, and I hope y'all enjoy us goofing around as these characters. It was a ton of fun. We even made a little backstory of how our characters met. So, without further ado, here's some lighthearted, piratey shenanigans. Here's how I became a pirate, kind of. Recently, I was enjoying one of my favorite hobbies, moving around random rocks on the shore, when I found this curious little box. When I opened it up, it was full of these bright, shiny things. This caught the attention of Captain Brinson. He said he's a pirate.
I'm a pirate.
Captain Brinson said I should join his crew for a while because I'm pretty good at this whole treasure finding thing.
We should definitely share all the gold you find. I mean, that we find.
And there we have it. Guess I'm going on a pirate adventure.
Oh, I'm coming! I'm coming!
You okay?
Yeah!
This is like a new album cover.
They sell this album at 7-Eleven. Let's get this album for like gas.
Look, it's a message in a bottle! Open it, see what it says! What could it be? Buried treasure? Where we can find mermaids? A brand new adventure?
Maybe even more treasure. We've been trying to reach you about your ship's extended warranty.
Ah!
Thank you so much for watching. This was a ton of fun. Please go and support BB on his channel, and I'll see you again soon. Bye, y'all.